tourism, which is always seen as something fun, can become a greatest part of your economy. Good evening, everyone. My topic is tourism boosting India's economy. Tourism is something that we all have done, and in today's scenario and in today's time, it has become more and more advanced. People go for spiritual purposes, for patriotic feelings, for scenic beauty, and many more. Tourism has become a greatest part of our lives nowadays. Economy is something we have always think about. It is agriculture, industries, services, quaternary activities. But what we have not seen is that tourism can become a greatest asset in our economy. Tourism is an area which is not being focused more and more. As tourism is done by many people, it can generate a large amount of economy for India. If India focuses in boosting the economy towards the tourism, it can generate a great amount of benefits. For example, if any area which is not a tourist spot might not have many people visits, but it also not have many such infrastructure. If government and other people focuses on the areas that have a potential to be a tourist spots, they can also generate an area in which they can provide infrastructure, benefits tourism, so that many small businesses can get empowered from that. The revenue that comes from tourists and the places, the people can generate more income. The flaws that it can generate is that the spots can get hindered by the human, and they can also get exploited. So this should be maintained by a proper agenda, that if we are making any of the purpose and we are linking the tourism with economy, we should also link it with environment. So when all the three terms, which is tourism, economy and environment, when they came in a single lane, they can channelize a greatest asset for our country. If tourism has been focused properly, it can generate an income source for many people, so that they can earn their living. Also, it can enhance the overall area of that locality. When people focuses more on the advances of getting, like if we are focusing more on tourism nowadays, they can also help that if we link these with economy, it will generate a great benefits to our country. So not taking tourism lightly just as a fun purpose, but it can enhance our more investment, our economy, and can take our country to a more higher heights. Thank you. Jai Hind.